Hello, Brenda Smith-Keene, Dancing for Him Ministries Level 2 student. Janine Durning is my AP. I'm here today to talk to you about my April creative assignment where we create an exercise off of choreography techniques and based off of having 50 people and dividing them up. I am using the Divine Choreography by Pastor Lynn Hayden, Divine Inspiration and Choreography Techniques. And I chose to focus on chapter 3 and chapter 5 and the appendix. In chapter 3, which begins on page 29, that is an element of design. And in that chapter is discussed Laban's analysis of movement, where you have actions of the body, qualities of the movement, spatial environment, and relating to objects or people. Also, that's where the special phrases are listed. And also in chapter 5, that's dance development, rhythm, change, and variations, which begins on page 51. Page 56 gives you special changes and how you can go from small or low level movements and then gradually move to medium and finally to high or larger movements. And that can be reversed as well. So examples of levels can be lying on the floor, sitting on the floor, kneeling on the floor, kneeling on your feet, low lunges or comfortable lunges, or even just standing. And then again, you also want to take it to a higher level. You could go from standing or running to leaping or jumping. I chose these because when you have your special phrases, these words or these phrases are used to analyze movement or give you a creative idea that you can use in your choreography. And doing an exercise, I would take, if I were doing a workshop, I would take the 50 people, divide them into 5 groups of 10, and I have 5 special phrases that I can give to each group. I would teach them the special phrases, what they look like, then in the count of 8 or maybe 2 counts of 8. And then have them practice those movements and also maybe add on another count of 8 or 2 counts of 8 and then present those movements. I asked the 5 movements, I have 5 phrases, and so what I'm going to do is go through each one of those and show you what those would look like. That when we talk about special phrases, they relate to the change in the amount of space, also and the focus in the space and even your stage placement. So the first one is move with a constantly changing focus, count of 8. Now I chose to say look up, look down, look side, and then look side. But also you're going to be changing direction. So say that I start here at upper stage left, and were to move in counts of 2 and change my focus each time that I got to the next count. So here I am. I'm going to go like on a diagonal perhaps and go 1, 2, and then change 1, 2, and then change 1, 2, and then change 1, 2. So I'm just changing my direction there, but I could also change my focus. So say that I'm going 1, 2, and then I 1, 2, and then I 1, 2, and then I 1, 2. So you could look up, you could look side, you could look down, and change your direction at the same time. And of course you could add arms as you move as well. Move with a fixed focus. So when I move with a fixed focus, I'm going from one place to another place. I'm going directly there. I'm looking directly there. No change in focus. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Alright, so I went from up stage left to downstage right. But I could go from upstage center, downstage center. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. What would I do if I added some arms? So it's a focus. You're going in one direction and you're focused. Number 3 is change focus and then move and repeat 3 times. So you would get your focus and then 2, 3, 4 and then focus 2, 3, 4. And you're changing that focus each time. So that's actually 2 counts of 8 for this one because the book suggests that you repeat it 3 times. So you would start with your first one. So say I'm looking here and I'm going 1, 2, 3, 4. Let me do that again because 1 is going to be the focus. Focus, 2, 3, 4, stop. 2, 3, 4, stop. 2, 3, 4, stop. 2, 3, 4. Get it? So you could do that and then add on to that. The next one is focus on one body part and move into different directions. Now this one is fun. You could do your hand and follow your hand. So you're looking at your hand and you're changing direction, but you're focused on the hand, where it's going. Maybe you want to go here. Maybe you want to go here. Maybe you want to go here. You're focused on the hand. What would you do look like if you did your shoulder? 1, 2, 3, 4. That shoulder. Look at that shoulder. That shoulder. You can kind of have fun with that exercise. 1. That's a fun one. The last one is a focus high and focus low. So, focus high, focus low. Focus high, focus low. Focus high, focus low. Those are spatial phrases that help us to analyze our movement and give us more creative ideas. Thank you. God bless you. I love you.